This app is giving out $108 only if you're able to work. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can make up to $108 with this particular app that I'm about to show to you right now. To sign up, select agenda. So you're going to pick one of it, right? As a man or a woman, select agenda and let's go on. All right, so for us to go on now, we're going to click on this arrow here, and then this way it's going to take you to this is how the interface look like. All right, I sign up as a male, so I'm going to see a lot of ladies on the platform. Now this platform enables you to just stream or do little micro tags. Right, I'm going to take you to the place where you have to see the tags. As you can see here now, they are going to reward you based on the tags that you do. All right, so you can definitely stream, you can do little tags, you can make video call. So each of the calls you're making, they are paying you some dollars for it, right? Which I'm going to show to you. And then you can also check in, right? And daily, and then you get paid also. Now it's a new app that I said I want to introduce to my subscribers and to those that are watching right now. So I'm going to see how we can exhaust or go through all the process that has to do with you making money from this particular app. All right, so guys, let's go and explore more other options that we have now. So as you can see here now, so immediately you sign up, just come to this dashboard here, and then from here you can see your earning tips. That is other ways that you can really make money. That is what is showing to you right here. All right, there are other ways you can make money, so let's explore it. Now see below here, you have a lot of tasks that you can do. All right, a lot of tasks which I want to zoom. Let me zoom. Look at this tax is paying you $0.1, this one $0.1, this one $0.1. I think let me expand it a little bit and see more of it. All right, so for this app now, you can earn all this figure just to hit up to $108, and I think it has timing. That timing is like 88 to, okay, I can see it like some hours there, as you can see up there, right? This is the timing you can hit this $108. So you have 89 days to make sure that you're able to make this money. All right, the time frame is just there. If you can't make it before then, I don't know what's going to happen, but I believe they're going to take it out. So let's check other tax that is involved. All right, make one video call, look at what they pay you, check in on day 2, look at how much they pay you. All right, so these are the figures that you can be earning from this particular app by doing this little tax. All right, so you can video call somebody, just register your friend, video call him or her, you understand, and then you get paid. Check in, open the treasure box, and then you also get paid. So definitely what happened is they pay money directly to this your account here, and from here you can actually withdraw to your wallet. All right, which I'm still going to show you. So now this is the referral process, right? When you invite somebody, look at what you're earning, right? When you invite people, this is what you are going to earn. These are the figures here: $2.4, $0.1, $1.5, right? Invite a friend also added to you, making up to that $108. All right, it also involves that. So even though you are inviting friends, ensure that you are also, just have it in mind that you're also making your own money. All right, you're making your own money. So let's go forward and explore other places, right? Guys, don't forget the way I normally do. I'm going to leave the link for you to sign up in my Telegram community and also in my WhatsApp community. So if you want to get the link, check the comment section or check the description section. You're going to have access to the link, and then you're going to start working. Even you can get the name of the app also. All right, so what I noticed about this app is that if you sign up as a male, you might have to buy some ruby, right? Some coins, or let's call it ruby, like diamond, for you to be able to do some certain tasks. All right, it's mostly favorable to the female. Remember, the kind of video I do is how you can make money online without spending a dime. All right, so I've actually explored some. I just started exploring, so I said I should bring it to my subscribers and followers and viewers, because people are really cashing out from this. So I decided to bring it to you guys so that you can try it out. All right, So guys, I say go ahead and try it and let me know how it is in the comment section, so that we can definitely know that this app definitely pay. I'm doing my own job over here by doing the tax, and also I'm going to definitely bring the result to you immediately as I am done. My videos now, I will be doing videos, but I won't be showing screenshot because I got a lot of strike as showing screenshots based on YouTube policy. See you on my next video guys. Bye bye.